name Bhakti Sarvasva Govinda Maharaj. Previously his name was Satya Govinda Brahmachari. Being guided by Srila Prabhupada of Siddhanta Saraswati. And he is very simple. He has no demand. And he took sannyas from our Guru Maharaj by the order of Srimati Radharani. One day Radharani came in his dream and she was telling he should go immediate to Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj and take sannyas. Then he took sannyas from Guru Maharaj and as per his instruction, Radharani in his dream he gave sannyas name. Sannyas name is Bhakti Kimpar Keshav.
आगे बोलिए नहीं नवरा 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 शासन कर दे फिनिश कर दे ठीक है आगे के नाम
Radharani came in his dream. That time he was not able to take sannyas. And after that Radharani forced him, go immediately and take sannyas. Then he came to Guru Maharaj at Mayapur and he took sannyas. Maharaj, কখন সন্ন্যাস নিয়েছিলেন? But I also not remember him because I made his younger.
You made it younger.
But he has no any demand. He has no any demand.
নাম ভক্তি কিঙ্কর সাধারণ দিয়েছিল সেটা হলো না কেন রবীন্দ্র
I do not Maharaj giving. Brahma giving. Srila Prabhupada named Satya Govinda. Guru Maharaj don't want to change the Srila Prabhupada name. That's why Guru Maharaj giving him Bhakti Sarvasva Satya Govinda.
যখন প্রথম এসেছিলেন এবং গুরুমাজি বলেছিলেন ব্যবসা করেছে শ্রীমতী রাধারানীর স্বপ্নাদেশ প্রাপ্তদের সন্ন্যাস ইচ্ছা
উনি বলেছেন
বলেছেন দুজন গোবিন্দ
Radharani is very dearest to him. He was school teacher of Bhaktivinoda Institute in Mayapur on school. That is the Prabhupada Institute for Shankarpur. In that institute he was a teacher. At the time of his military life, he was school teacher. Service and he was assistant of Guru Maharaj. Guru Maharaj is secretarial job. He was the Guru Maharaj. That's why he liked Guru Maharaj so much. তাই তো মহারাজ আপনি তো আমার মহারাজের অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ছিলেন কোন জায়গায়?
হ্যাঁ আমি দেখতাম হ্যাঁ সত্যি সত্যি
মাধব শরণ মন্ত্র you You read and
Agacha.
huh?
Agacha.
Agacha.
Agacha. I told you I cannot teach. So please.
And then you read
Agacha. Kayana. Tamam. Priyavi. Saha. Keshav. Divya. Pushpadya.
so Madhava लिखी तो ठीक है क्या बोला
Keshav.
ये ना ये
Divya. Pushpadya. Sajvayam.
सज्जा माने sleeping place sleeping place with a full of flower the meaning
Sukham Virahamala.
Supam Virahamala first class
Because I'm making
first
so
class
much mistake.
no question mistake you are the engineer your educational qualification higher than me I am junior here.
Yeah, you can joke with me. There is no problem.
I am your
ওনার কি ইয়ে আছে নাকি ওনাকে ঠাকুর আছে নাকি হ্যাঁ ঠাকুরে কি করে
Papa. Then is the one Papa.
And then she can bring for to you.
If she think I am suitable, then
Yes, she can.
I am not suitable. Who is suitable? She will bring here.